Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Goodbudget works for shared household budgets. Managing finances with a partner can often feel complicated, but Goodbudget simplifies this by digitizing the traditional envelope system so multiple people can stay on the same page. Instead of handing physical cash back and forth or guessing who spent what, the app allows you to sync and share a single household budget across different devices in real time. To set up a shared budget, one person registers the household account on the web or mobile app, creating a single login username and password that both partners use to sign in on their respective phones. Once connected, both users share access to the same pool of funds, accounts, and virtual envelopes. The core mechanic relies on allocating your combined income into specific spending categories, known as envelopes. You can create shared categories for essential household expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and savings goals. When either partner makes a purchase using a linked checking account or cash, they log the transaction into the app immediately. The app then deducts that amount from the corresponding shared envelope right away. Because the data syncs across devices, both partners can instantly see how much money is left in any given category before making a purchase, preventing accidental overspending or duplicate buying. Goodbudget also accommodates personal spending within a shared framework. Couples can set up separate individual envelopes for personal fun money or specific clothing allowances. This allows partners to maintain financial independence and track their own personal discretionary spending while keeping major household financial goals completely transparent and synchronized. At the end of the month, you can review reports together to see where your money went and adjust your allocations for the next cycle, making it a practical tool for household financial alignment. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.